Welcome to the AI and Systems Blueprint, your guide to achieving 10x monetization in affiliate marketing. Are you exhausted from constantly creating, constantly posting, and still feeling behind? You're not alone. The space is crowded, and generic advice leads to burnout and small returns. What if there was a smarter path? It's about building intelligent systems powered by AI to remove the noise and multiply your monetization with precision. Let's look at the problems with traditional affiliate marketing models. Most traditional affiliate advice is inefficient. You end up competing in saturated markets, creating content that quickly disappears, and promoting products everyone else is pushing. The missing ingredients are systems, automation, and leverage. Without intelligent systems, you're stuck trading time for uncertain results. AI changes that. The future is about building AI-powered systems that simplify execution, optimize decisions, and scale monetization. Imagine having a digital assistant that continuously researches, drafts, optimizes, and analyzes. Let's break down Phase 1, AI-powered niche and product selection. Stop chasing obvious niches. Use AI to identify low-competition micro-niches and emerging trends that traditional marketers overlook. AI allows you to analyze competition gaps and validate product-market fit before investing time. You don't guess, you analyze and position yourself strategically. Phase 2 focuses on AI-driven content creation and optimization, where most marketers typically burn out. Use AI to generate structured video scripts, draft blog posts, create supporting visuals, and repurpose one asset into multiple formats. This is strategic co-creation. You guide the process, and AI accelerates it, resulting in high output, high quality, and scalable content. Next is Phase 3, Systematized traffic generation. Traffic isn't about hustle, it's about systems. Build funnels that operate continuously. AI can help with automated social scheduling, engagement management, and email sequences that nurture and convert. Instead of manual effort, you build processes. Use AI for ad optimization based on performance data to create predictability, which is key to scale. Finally, Phase 4, Advanced monetization and scaling. Once systems are running, you move beyond basic affiliate links. AI enables dynamic product recommendations based on user behavior and performance analytics that reveal what actually drives revenue. Focus on income diversification through ads, digital products, and specialized AI agents handling defined roles. Now you're not just earning commissions, you're building infrastructure that compounds. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to feel chaotic. Ready to gain leverage and simplify execution? When you combine AI with structured systems, you gain leverage, simplify execution, improve conversion, and scale intelligently. If you're ready to build a streamlined affiliate machine powered by AI, subscribe and visit internetmoneypro.com for more valuable resources and training. Let's build systems that work, so you don't have to grind endlessly.